If you've tried getting free stuff from Temu before and it didn't really work, it's probably not because it's fake. It's because you weren't using the right strategy. Most people approach Temu randomly, clicking things, trying codes, hoping something works. But Temu doesn't reward randomness. It rewards structured interaction. So, in this video, I'll show you the smart strategy to get free stuff from Temu, the way it actually works. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What most people get wrong. Let's start here. Temu free gift is not a shortcut. It's a system. That means it responds to how you enter. It tracks how you interact. It unlocks rewards step by step. So it's not enter code, get free item. It's enter, position, interact to unlock. Why random methods fail? This is the biggest mistake. Most users open Temu normally, scroll randomly, try applying codes, and expect results. But this keeps you in basic shopping mode, and the reward system never fully activates. The hidden advantage, positioning. Temu treats users differently based on entry. If you enter correctly, you're placed inside a promotion flow, where rewards, events, and free gift systems are visible. If you don't, you stay in standard mode, with limited benefits. Part 2, the smart strategy. Here's what actually works. Step 1, enter with intent. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This puts you directly into the promotional system. Step 2, activate your session. Follow the activation steps shown. Now, your session is aligned with the campaign. Step 3, apply the code strategically. Enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active promotion cycle. Step 4, interact with purpose. Now don't just browse. Follow what the system shows, offers, tasks, event steps. This is what unlocks progress. Step 5, stay consistent. This is where most people fail. They try once and quit, but small consistent actions move the system forward. What to expect? Let's keep it honest. The system does work. Free items are possible. Strategy increases your chances. It's not instant. Not every attempt gives high rewards. Effort is sometimes required. Final takeaway. Getting free stuff from Temu is not about luck. It's about strategy. If you enter correctly, follow the system, and stay consistent, the results start to show.